In this video, I'll show you how to paint this painting using the acrylic pour drip tower technique. Stay tuned to learn the process. Welcome to Artist Unlocked. Artist Unlocked is an art tutorial YouTube channel inspiring you to create your own artwork you want to exhibit so you can achieve Artist Unlocked. Please like, subscribe and comment for more content. Let's get back to the video. This is a drip tower. When acrylic pour paint is poured in alternative colours on top of the cocktail umbrella, the paint drips and falls onto the canvas, creating this amazing pattern. How to make a drip tower. Use glue to attach 4 drawing pins to the underside of square pieces of Lego bricks. Then recreate the remaining Lego arrangement shown in this picture. The pins are glued so that once the painting is finished, you can remove the drip tower without leaving a mark. Next, place a rubber on top of the drip tower base and secure with duct tape. Insert a cocktail umbrella into the centre of the rubber, ensuring the umbrella covers the base completely. Use a paper clip to hold the umbrella in place. The drip tower is now complete. The colours I'll be using for this painting are Nicpro Metallic Gold and Black. Before using pre-mixed paints, shake the bottle to ensure the paint is well mixed. This will introduce air bubbles into the paint. To prevent this, place your paints in a container with hot water for 15 minutes. Pour 60mm of gold and black paint into 2 measuring cups. To avoid air bubbles, leave your cup standing in hot water for 15 minutes. There will be a full list of materials in the description. Just let you know, this video is not sponsored. Some of the product links in the description are affiliate links. This means if you buy a product, I will receive a small commission. To support my canvas, I'm using Lego in 4 high block columns, but you can use cups. When applying paint to a canvas, it can cause your canvas to sag in the centre. To prevent this, ensure that you place support in the middle underneath the canvas. The canvas I will be using will be 250mm by 200mm and then painted black. Once the canvas is dry, position the drip tower in the centre of the canvas. Now start pouring your paint over the cocktail umbrella. Once you're satisfied with your artwork, let it sit for half an hour until the drip towel stops dripping. Then remove the drip towel. Use a heat gun over your canvas for a couple of seconds to get rid of excess air bubbles. Your painting will be touch dry within 24 to 72 hours and be cured from 1 week to 2 weeks. If you want to paint another painting, wait until your painting is touch dry, then you can move it to another location. But make sure your painting is laid flat or the paint could run off the sides of the canvas. Here is the finished acrylic pour drip tower technique painting. I'm calling this piece of work Caterpillar Effect because these shapes remind me of caterpillars and this part looks like a tornado. My favourite part of the painting is the wave-like structure around the caterpillars, as if they're running through water. Please tell me in the comments what you think of the painting and which other acrylic pour techniques you'd like me to cover. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe and comment for more content. Artists Unlocked, inspiring you to create your own artwork you want to exhibit, so you can achieve Artists Unlocked.